What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be meal prepping and share with you what I'm making for this week. It's the end of week 3 and then the start of week 4. So I already shared with you what I'm eating in the first video, so that's still what I'm currently eating. So I'm just going to show you how I meal prep it. So typically I would just cut the chicken breast in half so they're not too big of pieces, and then I will cook it for 10 minutes on one side and then 10 minutes on the other. When it's flipped on the other side, I cover it and then I put it on low. So right now I don't season my chicken. I just put like hot sauce on it. I know it's super boring, right? But to start off, I use this oil, Simply Balanced olive oil. I got it from Target. It's 100% extra virgin olive oil spray. So it's zero everything. And that's why I use it, because I am tracking my macros. What I do is I spray the chicken front and back, and then I spray the pan. So for my chicken, I just make all of it for the week. It usually lasts me a week when I get the family pack. I just measure it out to how much I should be eating a day. So for one of my meals, I have 70 grams, and then for another one of my meals, I have 80. So yeah, I'm just constantly weighing it. And then also show you guys how I do that. Okay, so the pan is all oiled up as well as the chicken. So I'm going to just place it on the pan and then cook one side for 10 minutes. So while my chicken is making, I am going to share with you what containers I use. So I got these from Amazon. They're super convenient. So I'll go ahead and put down below what they're called, and there you can find them. So to know if my chicken is ready, I use this. It's from Food Network. So I set it to the temp that it should be at, which is 165, if you guys didn't know that. And this makes my life so much easier, because I'm not like always sure when it's ready, so get one of these. So that means it's ready. So if the scale is more or less, you just take a piece off or add a piece. It's really simple. I had the hardest time when I first started because I didn't always 100% track my macros. So I literally track everything, my ketchup, my coffee creamer, just how I'm following my nutrition plan to make sure that I'm getting 100% of everything. I have my 70 grams of protein and my 80. So for the 70, it's a salad. So what I'm going to do is just have my chicken measured, my vegetables measured that's in there, and then I have quinoa in my salad. So besides the lettuce, I put all of that in here, so that way I can just warm up my chicken and warm up my quinoa and just toss in my veggies, and I don't spend so much time preparing my salad, which it's hard because you have to measure the lettuce and everything inside of it. So it takes a while for me, but this has helped me to get it done faster. So I will show you that. And then for the 80 grams of protein, it's literally just frozen broccoli and rice. To make my life easier, because I literally am on the go all the time, every day, so I use the frozen ones. It's super convenient. It costs more because you're only getting, let's see, 4 servings in this and 6 in here. This lasts me a lot longer than my quinoa. I literally have to get like 2, 3 of these. But all you do is literally just pop them in the microwave and then measure them out. And then typically all I do is just throw it in the microwave for 3 minutes, measure it, and then eat it. I don't have time to sit there because quinoa takes about like I think 30 minutes, as well as rice. I know there's things to make it go faster, but it's literally too much for me right now with school and everything else. So normally I would recommend just buying it in bulk to save money, but right now this is what I'm currently doing. I like to make it all at once because I go through these in a week. So I make it all at once and then I measure it out. The nice thing about the jasmine rice is I only eat 40 grams, so this whole thing literally lasts me like almost a week. So I just warm one of these up for 3 minutes, put it in a container, and then measure it out. So for the rice, I put it on top, and for me to find the 40 grams, what I do is I press on, and then I take it off, and I just kind of estimate it. So I pour what I think is 40 because I'm already kind of used to it. So I replace it on there. So right here, oh my gosh, exactly 40. So it tells me minus 40. So it was minus 40 from what it was originally. So that's how I know that it's 40 grams. Here is 3 bags of the frozen quinoa that I just made. I made them all separate, so it took me 9 minutes. Okay, to measure the quinoa, I set it to 0 on the plate. Okay, so I see that it's 16 grams, so I keep track of that. Now that the plate is 16 grams, so what I do is I add that. So I'm supposed to eat about 150 grams a day of quinoa, so I add 16 plus 150, which is 166. I scoop it. I'm using a measuring cup, but it's just to place it in the bowl. So, 66. So I'm supposed to have 40 grams of tomatoes, so I just press that. Just grab some. So when I go grocery shopping, I buy like 4 or 5 of these. That's how it lasts me a full week, because I'm supposed to eat about 4 cups of lettuce, and that's typically about going to be about one of these. So I'm going to show you how I get 4 cups exactly of lettuce. Okay, so don't make fun of me, but this is usually for batter, but it actually is exactly what I need to fill it up with. So I just tear the lettuce, I put it in here, and then to make sure that it's 4 cups, I measure it, and I put it into this bowl because this is what I put my salad. This is what I eat my salads in. You always want to make sure you wash the lettuce. So I already did that. And then I press on again. I pour everything in this bowl. So it's telling me 338, so I just add it back. Until it reaches 300, because 300 grams is 4 cups of lettuce. This is 300 grams of lettuce. That's how much I eat every day. This is going to be with my veggies and quinoa and chicken. So this is in I have the cucumber 40 grams of cucumber, 40 grams of tomatoes. I have 150 grams of quinoa, and then I have 70 grams of chicken. So I add the veggies into my salad. I warm up my chicken and my quinoa, and then add 5 tablespoons of this Green Goddess salad dressing that I got from Trader Joe's. It's amazing. It's super low calorie, and it's literally made from avocado, green onion, lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. It's also vegan, so for those of you who are vegan, this is delicious. As in my salad dressing, this is 2 tablespoons, this is 1 tablespoon, so I just do 2 of the 2 tablespoons and then 1 of those, and then I just toss it in the salad and call it a day. This salad is my pre-gym fuel, so I literally feel so energized when I go into the gym, and I've been doing UPRs, and I haven't been feeling myself the right way before the gym before I started this, so I am getting stronger and I'm really excited about that. So shout out to lettuce. So because I wake up early, I make sure that the water is filled for my coffee, and then I place it there so that way I can just put it in, put my coffee in, and go. I also make sure that I have my post-workout snack ready to go. So I have a half a scoop of protein, 2 rice cakes. I use Gold Standard, and then I always make sure the night before that my water jug is filled.